Hi everybody, it's Taylor here, teacher of the Crystal Gray Yoga Method. I'm excited to be able to take a mindful moment with you today and talk about a subject that's very near and dear to my heart. Something that is a little difficult for some to talk about, and that is the subject of forgiveness, or lack of forgiveness, or forgiving others, or getting forgiveness. It's a big web of things, all just dealing around forgiveness. This is something that I have been dealing with healing and really striving to be better with. And so for the past year and a half, I've really focused on that. And I feel like there's some tools that I want to share with you in case you might be feeling how I felt a while ago, which is, holding on to forgiveness and not being able to forgive somebody that's hurt me, that hasn't apologized, who hasn't acknowledged it, who doesn't care, because we all have that one person that just loves to say things or do things to us, and they don't care. They don't want to say sorry because they feel like they're right. And you know what? That's fine, because the problem is that we hold on to this hurt and this emotion, and we let it do damage to us. Okay, so we have this person who did something bad to us who doesn't even care, and they're all the way back here, and we're letting it still affect us, which in turn affects others around us. It's kind of like walking around with a big cloud over your head. It's a dark cloud, and it's going to rain on you at any minute, right? It's hard. And so what I want to talk to you about today is how to get to the root of healing when it comes to forgiveness. What I've found to be the biggest issue in my journey, and a lot of other people have said the same, is the fact that it's hard for us to forgive others so easily because we have not forgiven ourselves for something. And so we're holding that forgiveness back. So what do I mean by that? What I mean is, and this is something that as soon as I said that, you had an incident pop in your head, or maybe you're sitting there going, no, I don't have anything that I've done wrong to myself lately. I don't need to apologize to myself, and that's great. But some of us, we've all made mistakes, and we all have had in our brains like, oh, man, I wish I wouldn't have said that, or I wish I wouldn't have gone down that path, or I wish I would have chosen door A instead of door B, or there's all these different scenarios that could be popping into your head. And the problem is you haven't taken the moment to say to yourself, I forgive myself. I really, like I said, I feel like when it comes to forgiveness, we have to work on ourselves before we can start giving it out to others, right? And that's where a lot of things happen, is just that we need to work on healing the inner selves so that we can be the best version on the outside, right? So today what I want us to focus on is an affirmation that is interchangeable. So for now, until we really work through the healing, I want you to focus on, I forgive myself. And as you start saying that more and more and really incorporating it into your everyday life, you'll begin to feel better and more lighter and just, wow, like I really do forgive myself. Of course I can forgive this other person. And so then you can change it from I forgive myself to I forgive my parent. I forgive my partner. I forgive my child. Whatever it is, wherever it is, if it's a subject, if it's a person, whatever, you can put that in its spot, right? So wherever you're at right now, if you just take an inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, I want you to inhale, I forgive, exhale, myself, and take that with you throughout your day. So let's try it together. So inhale, I forgive, exhale, myself. And anytime you're starting to feel like, bitterness is getting to you, just say it. Just say, I forgive myself. What's the worst that can happen? Nothing really, right? So go ahead and use that in your daily affirmations. Maybe you write it on your mirror. Maybe you put it in your phone to show up as an alarm. Just start reminding yourself that you forgive yourself. And I promise you, things are going to start looking a little bit brighter. So I love you guys. Have a great day. Keep shining your divine self. Love you.